Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. Our word of the day is bargain, a B2 level noun meaning a good deal or agreement. A bargain is generally understood as something you buy at a lower price than its usual worth, or an agreement that favors one side over another, particularly in price. Let's see how it works in everyday life. Some synonyms for bargain include deal, special offer, and discount. For instance, I got a great deal on this jacket during the sale, or the shop had a special offer on shoes last week, and we received a 20% discount on the total price. Now, let's explore the opposite of bargain. Antonyms for bargain include rip-off, loss, and overcharge. That item was a total rip-off. It was not worth the money. Or selling it at such a low price resulted in a loss for me, and they tried to overcharge me for the repairs. You can often hear it used when shopping like, that's a bargain, or I'm looking for a good bargain. You might also hear, we struck a bargain for the car. Sentences could be, the store had a one-day bargain on all its electronics, or I found a real bargain at the flea market, or she is always looking for a bargain. We use the phrase a good bargain quite often. That's our word bargain for today, a word that refers to good deals and agreements. Remember, a bargain means you get good value, and you can find a deal or look for a special offer. Avoid getting a rip-off and always look for the best bargain. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And don't forget, create your own sentence using bargain and share it in the comments below.
See you next time.